Hello guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I bring you a beautiful site, a website in which you can buy any verifiable account of your choice that you can buy, especially TikTok and Telegram, for your work. It's going to be US account, very foreign and working perfectly. Without no further delay, let me dive into the video and show you the segments. Just click on the buy account right here. The buy account. Once you click on buy account, it's going to load and it's going to show every type of account that is available. As you can see, TikTok, Jamaica, TikTok, Nizisini, TikTok, Ecuador, TikTok, Andorra, TikTok, Syria, TikTok, Panama, and you can even buy Telegram. Telegram is in Cuba, Telegram, Portugal, TikTok, USA. Just search for any account you want to buy and it is region. For example, let's say Australia, Australia, Telegram. As you can see, Australia account Telegram Australia. As you can see, we have one account in Telegram right now that is selling for 11,200 and 290. That's one, and that's about it. Just one account by 9 people. 9 people can buy it. So for the price of 11,290. And then let's search for TikTok in Australia. As you can see, TikTok account in Australia. TikTok account in Australia. As you can see, this is actually cheap. This is 7,165 naira, and we have like verify accounts here also. We have like verify accounts here also. If you click on the buy, you are going to see it. We have this one right here that says 1,500 naira TikTok empty Australia account hotmail, and this one 1,500 naira empty Australia empty hotmail. As you can see, this one is 7,500 naira. If you click on the buy now, offering purchase, it's going to load details and show you 500 remaining insufficient balance. That's because I have no insufficient. I have just 3,339 naira in my account, not 3,000, just 339 naira in my account. So because I'm not buying the account, I just want to show you the process of how to get this foreign account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and see you in the next video. The website to purchase this account is going to be shared in the description below. Just follow through the link to buy the account. See you in the next video. Peace out.